Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, and when you see your boot options, after like 3 seconds, there we go, you want to press power off. Now once the device turns off, hold power key, volume up at the same time, and when you see Honor logo on the screen, let go of just the power key but keep holding volume up. So let's do that right now. Power, volume up. There is the Honor logo, so let go of the power. And once the Honor logo disappears, which should be right about now, there we go, you can let go of the volume up as well and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. Now it looks like the phone is off, but it's just taking a little bit of a, I guess, a sidetrack when it comes down to turning on recovery mode. So just give it, there we go, as you can see, like several seconds, and it boots us into it. Now in here we have a limited amount of things that we can perform. We can reboot the device and go back to Android. We can clear data, which includes factory reset and wipe cache partition. We can update, or well, basically access the download mode, and also boot the device into safe mode. So whatever you select, as you've seen, all you need to do is just press it like you would normally do. And because I want to leave this, I'm going to stick with restart, and automatically this will reboot the device and boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.